Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to make words pop up on TikTok videos. First go on your plus icon and then go for recording a video. For example, we'll choose this one and now go on your left ticking upside and then we have recorded this video. Now go on the text side and then go done and then type of the text and go set duration. For example, we'll go and choose the duration, go on the tick on your right side and go next. Now before we go and post this video, we need to see what we have done on the site. As you can see guys, we have made words pop up on this TikTok video. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.